Hello Seekers, welcome to Lifetime Soul and once again Moon Transit video. Moon will move in the sign of Leo, the sign ruled by Sun, the light because of which Moon shines, the light of the soul reflected by the mind. And when Moon goes in the house of Surya, the Sun itself, Moon goes second from the Cancer zodiac sign and therefore it goes into a very positive but heated zodiac sign. Leo being the sign of fire is going to aggravate the emotions, especially because Saturn and Jupiter is in the 6th house. Therefore, you will be troubled by the prarabdha, troubled by the duties, and you will be bound to execute it like a king is bound to take care of the kingdom. So when Moon goes in the sign of Leo on 30th of October, it will stay there for 2.5 days. Moon will find the dispositor, the house lord, the Rashi lord Surya, the sun, debilitated but with the 9th house in the 3rd house. Now what does this mean? This means that for the next few days, if you are a moon dominated chart, if you are a Cancer ascendant or moon sign, Leo ascendant or Leo moon sign, if you are running a moon Mahadasha, Antardasha or Pratyantar Dasha, if you are a Libra moon sign, if you are a Virgo moon sign, and in general to other people, for all other zodiac sign, you will feel the need to transform your life through repeated actions. What does repeated action mean? That means one event, if it is not fructifying in your life, if it is not happening in spite of your best efforts, you will not lose hope, but you will try to do it again and again and again. And this is where you need to draw a fine line between being hopeful and optimistic and being foolish. This couple of days will give you the idea whether to give up a task or to continue it. Because 3rd house is the house of efforts. And when Sun and Mars goes in this house, Moon understands the responsibility in spite of not willing to, that's a different case, but understanding of responsibility is always there. Communication with father and brother, especially the brother who is a guardian in your case, or anyone who is a brother-like figure who is also a guardian, your communication might not be up to the mark and you may have to simply follow the obligation. You may have to do things for them or requested by them even if you don't like. Just do it happily because it's all about happiness. Because if you don't feel happiness, then you will only feel sadness. Why? Because of the presence of Venus and Ketu in the 4th house. On one hand, Venus and Ketu in the 4th house shows give up the comfort zone, work hard and sacrifice your happiness for a greater purpose, a greater good. But on the other hand, if you don't accept it, if the acceptance is not there, then Moon will only get troubled by the energies of Rahu in the 10th house, by constantly thinking about the event and what have you done. Well, definitely this is not the right time to tell the relatives and tell the loved ones how much and what you have done for them or what are you doing for them, because there is no parameter for love. It's like shower love to the ones who are close to you, and even for your enemies, try to understand why they are your enemies and just leave it up to God. This is the time when you should not try to rebel or revolt unnecessarily, but always seek justice, and justice will be served to you. So when Moon goes in the sign of Leo, keep your head clear, keep your head straight, dissolve your ego, because ego will not be able to rise in this time because Sun is aspected by Shani, Saturn, and Sun is also debilitated, but rather surrender to the divine. That's why 9th Lord is in the 3rd house. Touching the feet of a guru, touching the feet of parents is going to be a wonderful remedy in case you are feeling depressed and sad. You will find your happiness in your true duty. Follow your duty and you will find your passion right standing in front of you. So guys, that was a quick take on the Moon transit in the sign of Leo. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you and me can stay connected. Check out for my other channel, Puneet's Astrology, for detailed video on transits and to learn astrology. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.